Yeah.
Hello, welcome back. In this video, I make this very cute outfit. I'm really proud of this one. This is my favorite one so far. And yeah, I mean, it's pretty simple, just like everything else we've learned so far. The materials that I used this time, obviously all from Joann's. And I got this knit material from my last project when I did the puffer jacket, and then I got the skirt material from Joann's as well, and that one's new. Like, I hadn't used that one yet, but I have leftover, so we'll see what I can do with that. I also bought some lace and ribbon for the shirt and elastic for the skirt. I didn't really go too much into detail about how to make the skirt, but I just thought that it was simple enough. Literally, I'm sorry, like you just make it. It's a skirt. Like, it's the easiest thing to make, especially because the fabric's very stretchy. I guess I should mention that the fabric to the skirt and the shirt are really stretchy. So yeah, I put the elastic in the skirt to make it like tighter around my waist. Getting started, I used a stretchy shirt that I already had and used that to trace it and left a little bit of seam allowance. It helped that shirt was already long sleeve, so I didn't have to like measure out the sleeves like too much.
Yeah.
Now, this is something I've learned throughout my 4 other videos of making stuff. So when it comes to the sleeves, instead of like just a simple round edge for the shoulder, you want it to like come up like this, kind of like a half oval. That's just how sleeves are. I've been making it wrong. I mean, the way I made it wasn't super bad. It's just this way is better and more professional. So okay, so after cutting out 2 pieces of the bodice and 2 pieces for the sleeves, I folded them over to make sure that they are the same on each side so that it's not uneven and I'm not working with uneven pieces, you know? Now, it's not necessarily shown in my video, but I did go back a lot and sew the inseam where the armpit is a lot because I noticed that it was really loose. So just make sure you make it and then try it on to see if you need to take anything in. So for me, I had to take this in because I left too much seam allowance. So there's good sides and downsides to having a lot of seam allowance. And one of the downsides is that you'll probably have to go back over and over again to try and get that down to your size. With pins, I kind of grafted where I want that sweetheart neckline to go. I obviously didn't want it to be too low, and I also didn't want it to be too high. I cut out where I put the pins, measured it to make sure it's even on both sides, and then to hide the raw edges, I literally just folded it in and sewed it. I noticed that when I cut out the sweetheart neckline, it was kind of saggy. And how I fixed that is I went to the back and I sewed up maybe an inch of that fabric and cut off the excess. And then it was more like tighter, you know, because I just needed it to pool a little bit more in order to proceed. With the sleeves, I was considering making it shorter, but I thought it'd be really cute if I left it super long like this, you know? I did not put the thumb holes. I don't really like thumb holes in Ali's shirts. I think it's kind of cute when it comes to like gym jackets, but other than that, it's not cute to me. So, but I did want to leave it long because I liked how it looked when it was, you know, just like this with the hand. Yeah. Okay, when you're sewing the lace, try not to stretch this fabric whenever you're sewing. Just leave it normal and let the sewing machine pull it as it goes, just so that it's not super crinkly. Although on this side, you know, the lace, it's one straight line. So I had to like manually curve it at these sides. So that's why they're kind of like up. But I could definitely go back and sew this down so that it'll stay down instead of coming up like that. But I thought it was cute either way. And then the little bow in the middle, such a cute touch. I saw this way to make a bow with a ribbon on Pinterest, and I just copied that. Yeah. I am in quite a pickle right now because I love this fabric. It's super, super cute. And it was meant to be a skirt, right? But it's so cute as a dress. So I don't know. I think I am just gonna go ahead and cut it into a skirt, sadly, because I got more left. Sad to see it go, but I think it's for the best. Yay, it's complete. Oh, I love this outfit so much. I love this sweetheart neckline and the lace and bow that I added. Oh, I'm so creative. Look at you, you're so creative. And then I also left these to be really long as well. The sleeves. They're gonna stay long. I like it like that. I'm not gonna put thumb holes. I think it's fine just like this. This is so cute. This fabric though is really thick. Like I'm kind of sweating in this. It's January, so you would think that it'd be fine. Like I would be warm enough. Because it's January, the winter season. Let's check the weather. Okay, 53 is a good temperature for what I'm wearing. But and then it gets to 70, and then it gets to 80. Unacceptable. Okay, well, gotta go. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new, and I hope you followed along. If you did, please tag me on Instagram, you know, let's be friends. Okay, well, see you soon.